I have with me Mr. Vineet Relia. He is the managing director for Sare Homes. Mr. Relia, can you please share us your views on the market sentiment? Has it started looking up after the slump that we had seen in the recent past?
I think I think things are picking up, and obviously there has been a certain perception issue plus a demand supply situation plus an overall issue. So things are doing well, and I think products which are focused and targeted and meet the complete needs of clients are selling.
Sir, what are your views on the three-pronged urban development approach that the Prime Minister has recently announced in terms of Amrut, smart cities and housing for all? How is it going to impact the real estate market?
See, I think all these initiatives are good, but if they are not followed up by stronger policy decisions and measures which can help the ailing industry, because public sector on its own cannot really achieve the 6 crore target of housing for all if that's the final objective. So you need private industry, and private industry has a lot of grievances in terms of very high taxations and a whole lot of regulatory other issues. Those need to be resolved, and then I think it's a winning formula. Otherwise, these things will not work.
Sir, the real estate industry does not have a regulator as yet. The way we have TRAI for telecom, how soon do you think, or how far is it, when are we going to have a regulator like that for the real estate sector?
Well, I think that's for the, it's a legislative issue now in the central legislature. It will go to state legislature, but I think the intent is all there and the progress has been tremendous. So I think maximum a year we should have the regulator, and we really welcome that, and I think it will be really good for the industry.
In terms of real estate investment trust or REIT, Pakistan, our neighboring country, has beaten us to that. For so many years, we've been kind of talking about REITs, but what are your views on the action on the ground, and how far are we from REITs?
See, I think REITs is predominantly for the commercial and the office space kind of market here, where there are these large developers who stand to gain out of it. But yes, you're right. There have been again, confusing signals from the market from the government that you open up policies and open up new avenues, but you kind of clamp it up with taxation issues, so things that don't get resolved. So I think it's again an issue where the complete, you need to really think through from start to finish. So government needs to really take a wake-up call and get these avenues open for monies to come in.
Now, can you please tell us about Sare Homes? I mean, it's the developer wing of South Asian real estate. So, what are the projects that you've already come up with, and the ones which are upcoming and you're trying to promote?
Sare Homes today, we are 35 million square feet pan India. We are 7 projects in 6 states, in 6 cities. So, we keep churning out inventories, total sales of about 7,000, and we've delivered. So we've completed full circles across all projects, which means there are people living across all projects. Our launches have always, our products have always been focused on giving that extra value to the middle class. We cater purely to the middle class and do only residential as our prime business. Our recent launch, Olympia, is where we have actually predicted and design how a lifestyle would be of average middle class in Gurgaon in 2019 and 2020. So I think the extra value and the predictability of the products, the way they are designed to enhance the lifestyle 4 years down the line, is what is making a difference at Sare.
Thank you, Mr. Relia, for speaking to BoldReality.com. This is Dheeraj Ahuja from Expo TV for BoldReality.com.